So, moving on, we'll talk about the technical and the institutional reforms in the agriculture. Technical meaning how technology improved, how machines improved, and how because of the improvement in the technical machines, in the technological machines, how did the agricultural develop. Okay. Earlier farming was carried out by simple and ordinary farm implements like sickle, spade, hoe, powder, drill, plow, bullock cart, etc. So earlier we were using traditional ways of doing agriculture, wherein we were using simple instruments, okay, like powder. The man used to personally go on the farm and plow the field. Plow એટલે ખોતર કામ હાથેથી કરતો. He used to drill the ground on his own, okay, and he used to run the bullock cart on his own in order to put the seeds and etc. Now modern implements have entered into it, of which tractor, trailers, rotavators, etc. are common. So now because of technological improvement, because there is improvement in the field of machines, now we have tractors in the agriculture sector, we have trailers in the agriculture sector, we have rotavators meaning they are a machine which separates the seeds from the rest of the plant. Okay, besides modern equipment like thresher and harvesters are used in wheat harvesting. So these two machines are important in wheat harvesting. There is increase in the usage of chemical fertilizer, hybrid seeds, BT seeds, insecticides and drip irrigation and greenhouse etc. Now what has happened is that recently we are using lot of chemical fertilizer. We are using hybrid seeds. What are hybrid seeds? They are very, very high quality seeds which are used. BT seeds. BT seeds are also a kind of seeds which are very, very high quality seeds. Okay, they are using insecticides. What are insecticides? Insecticides are medicine which kills the insects. Okay, so insecticides are used. Drip irrigation is used. What is drip irrigation? એટલે જે crop હોય ને या આખા પાઇપલાઇન લગાડી દીધા હોય, ઓકે, અને એના ઉપર એક ડ્રોપ પડે, એક પ્લાન્ટ ઉપર એક ડ્રોપ પડે. એન્ડ ગ્રીનહાઉસ ઇઝ અ મેથડ ઇન વિચ they build a house which is made out of glass, and in that they put the vegetables and then they grow the vegetable in this small house sort of a thing. That is why it's called greenhouse. Okay, so all these changes are there. Now we will talk about the technological changes or reforms. The changes which have taken place in seeds, fertilizer and farm implements in India are known as technical reforms. So all the changes that have happened in seeds, in fertilizer, in the way of which farming is done is known as technical reforms. First, the farmer who earlier used leather buckets and water wheels now used a submersible pump or monoblock pump, solar pump, drip irrigation and sprinklers. So earlier what used to happen is that the farmer had to fill the water in the bucket એટલે ડોલ. Okay, so એ ડોલ જે હતી લેધરની બનેલી હતી, or water wheel is like a thing, it's like a circular thing in which water keeps moving. Okay, so એ water wheel થી water used to get supplied, and obviously this was lot of labor work because man had to completely go fill the water in the bucket, go to the plant, drop it, and imagine the land used to be so big, okay, and it used to be very challenging. But now we have lot of machines like submersive pump એટલે sealed motion pump, એટલે pump basically લગાડેલા હોય. It's a kind of like a pump. Okay, all these are kind of pumps which there it's like a which gives water to the plant. There's drip irrigation I told you, drip by drip the water falls. Sprinklers are these small stand sort of a thing which rotates, okay, which is inserted in the middle of the field. Like suppose this is the field, okay, the sprinkler is over here, then it rotates and the water keeps getting sprinkled all around. You will see this in the gardens. Okay, if you go to a park you will see these sprinklers over there. Okay, so all these sprinklers, all these pumps are now being used instead of using buckets. Chemical fertilizer like D-ammonia phosphate, nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, urea and other biofertilizer, liquid biofertilizer, biotech seeds are used. So now we are using lots and lots of chemical fertilizers. Obviously, if you use chemical fertilizers, your crops grow much faster. But also there are a lot of disadvantages to using chemical fertilizers. So what are the chemical fertilizers they use? D-ammonia phosphate, nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, urea, biofertilizers, liquid fertilizers, biotech seeds. All these are the chemical fertilizers which we use in order to improve agriculture. Farmers are constantly guided through radio, television, newspaper, DD Kisan channel, SMS on the mobile by the Kisan toll-free number. This is the number. Government farm web portals, iKhedukt, mobile apps like Agri Market. So what happened is constantly the farmers are getting knowledge about agriculture. Constantly farmers are being helped by the government through various ways like radio, television. Also you will be seeing ads like Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Okay, so all these ads, okay, there is a special channel for the farmers where farmers are taught how agriculture can improve. They are sent SMSs. They can call on the toll-free number to ask or to inquire about anything. There are also websites, okay, and lot of other portals એટલે websites only, like iKhedukt application is there, Agri Market application is there, wherein they get knowledge about various new technology, they get knowledge about various new seeds, etc. New agriculture research, new techniques are conveyed to the farmers in the village by Gram Sevak. So new research or new study or new things which are found in agriculture or new techniques that can be used in agriculture, this message is being passed on to the village by a group called Gram Sevak. A farmer training center is established in every district headquarter wherein farmers are given training. So there is a proper training institution where farmers are being trained, okay, they get training in how to do agriculture. Recent information and guidance are provided to the farmers through agriculture fairs in Gujarat. So they get lot of information through guidance by agriculture fairs. Agriculture fairs એટલે agriculture નો મેળો લાગે ખાસ for the agriculture products. So એમાં એ લોકોને information, એ લોકોને guidance દેવામાં આવે, okay. Agricultural university and agriculture colleges are established in every state. Agriculture universities are established in Dantewada, Junagadh, Anand, Navsari in Gujarat. These universities carry out research and prepares new expert in agriculture. So there are agriculture university and there are lot of people who go there and study in these agriculture universities, in these agriculture colleges, and they keep on doing research. They keep on finding new things in which agriculture can improve. So where are these universities? Dantewada, Junagadh, Anand, Navsari, all these areas. Besides these, Indian Council for Agriculture Research ICAR and Department of Agriculture and Education DARE are active at national level. So these two organizations are at the national level which works towards development of agriculture.